Hello everyone, tie the ponytail. Roll the hairs upward and fix it like this. Divide the hairs into two parts and put the bun pin. Now make the plaits on the sides and fix it like this. Put the hair clips on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix it in the half using the rubber band. Now put the hairs above it like this and then cover it. Put the hair clips like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs and fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now after fixing it, we will roll the hairs into three parts and fix them one by one on the alternative sides. Now tie the hairs together on the top and then roll it down to make the bun. Fix it using the hair clip and your hair bun will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail, fix this bun making tool or the hair rotating tool you can say, and then rotate the hairs. Now tie it from the bottom and fold it and fix it using the hair clips or the bun clips and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and fix it using the bun clip like this. Roll it down and fix it. Now tie the hairs on the top and fold it like this using the hair clip and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail, roll the hairs like this to make the bun. Fold it and fix it using the bun clip like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail and then roll the hairs like this. Fix it using the bun pin on the sides. After that, tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the clips and your hair bun will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail and then fix this hair rotating tool and then rotate the hairs like this. After rotating the hairs, we will fix it by tying it from the bottom and fold it inside like this and fix it using the bun clip and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix it using this rubber band. So first tie it and fix it in the half. Now roll down the hairs and fix it inside the hairs. Tie it using the rubber bands on the top and put this beautiful hair designer band and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun clip on the downside of the hairs. Now after that, tie the hairs on the top and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.